Alrighty, so let's go install this fucking shift knob straight from Japan. See if it fits, because it's only one size. Let's go test it out. Imported as hell. Got the keys. It's hot as fuck. It's hot as fuck out here. Got the beamer right there. My dad parked my car supposedly and he squished my lip. Let's go. Damn, it's gonna be hot as hell in here. Sheesh, freaking hot in here. Let's take this one off. I don't even know how to take it off. I have to twist off. God damn. Almost. Boom, off. Oh, it should fit, hopefully. There's the old one, all messed up. Needed a new one. So let's see. Out with the old and